afternoon. We are looking at rain now already beginning to move throughout the Golden State. Coming up, we'll tell you when the showers will begin to arrive in the back of your yard. We'll be right back. Doing a little bit of barbecuing. It doesn't look like that's going to be happening outside, at least for the next few days. We have rain in our forecast for about the next. Also dealing with those clouds further into Fallbrook. Temperatures there about 75 degrees. Wind speeds fairly calm. Anticipated them to stay about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but it is going to pull in some moisture that's going to lead to a few showers. We're not talking about a complete washout. Not even enough really to turn off your sprinklers, but you will actually notice maybe that umbrella will turn into something handy for you the next few days. That high pressure system we've had the last few days bringing us the sunshine and the warm air is now starting to nudge further to the east, making way for the dip in the jet stream, already tapping into some of that tropical moisture from the remnants of Seymour, and it's trying to move through Southern California. We're just a little bit too far south from the storm system or for the storm track to really see the benefits of this rainfall like they're dealing with in Southern California, where they actually have flood watches up. For us, we're just going to get little sprinkles, maybe even we'll call it a real shower. Starting off tonight, you'll just see those clouds beginning to thicken up, the moisture beginning to start to feel a little sticky. Once we get to the morning hours, 7, 8 a.m., the rain chance, 20%. That's it, 20%. It's there, though, for you in Valley Center, down through Ramona, and even through Lakeside. Once we get to 11 o'clock, we drop it down to just 10% chance of precipitation. Most of that will be for the North County, because the further north you are, the heavier the rain is, especially out toward Orange County and even into Los Angeles. But remember, we're not done yet. Once we get to Saturday at 4 o'clock, yet again, a 20% chance of rain. Coming up, we'll take a look at exactly. Actually, I know Jason thinks so because we have rain in it. We're actually forecasting those showers to begin by 5 a.m. along the coast. That's a 20% chance. Temperature is about 66 degrees. And even with the rain, temps are going to stay close to seasonal. About 73 degrees already by 11 a.m. with that rain chance dropping to about 10%. Inland areas at 5 p.m. tonight, you'll still see some of those clouds thickening up. Your rain not forecast to begin until your morning commute tomorrow. And at that, it's just 20%. Temperatures by 11 a.m. about 77 degrees and dropping that rain chance to 10. Now look at these rainfall totals for tomorrow. It's not a tremendous amount. Only a few hundredths of an inch. 300ths into Ramona, 100ths in Chula Vista. But we keep the chance of precipitation on Saturday and even on Sunday as well. Not a complete washout yet again, just about a 20% chance. But overall, for the next 3 days, we could see about a quarter of an inch out over toward Pine Valley and Alpine, whereas the coast almost a tenth of an inch into downtown San Diego. But that's not it. We have more rain. So here's the first system that we're watching. That's one that's coming down for today or tonight and even through about the weekend. But watch what happens with this next area of red coming down. Tuesday, we will increase the storm chance yet again, and we put rain back in the forecast. We'll show it to you in your 7-day forecast in just a bit. Guys?
Don't you like to paddleboard in the rain?
I mean, either way, you're on water or...
.com Tower Cam, that live from North Park, noticing those clouds already in place. They will stay with us, thicken up over the evening, and eventually lead to rain for your morning commute. With those clouds, though, we are still warmer than where we were yesterday. About 3 degrees warmer in San Diego, 2 degrees in La Mesa. The temperatures that we are at today are going to be exactly what it feels like for tomorrow. So despite the fact that we're getting some moisture in the air, it's not really going to drop our temperatures much. We have to wait until Sunday for a cool down, which, by the way, is also going to come with a little bit more rainfall. Temps right now about 78 degrees in La Mesa, the same through Escondido, and 75 in Fallbrook. Broad look across the country, dealing with sunshine all the way for the plains, a little bit of rain and snow coming down throughout New England and even into the Northeast, but our eyes are focused in back here along the West Coast with that storm system heading from Idaho, pushing all the way out over toward California. And with us, it looks like the Sierra Passes actually have a winter storm watch that's up for them. They could see 6 to 12 inches of snowfall. That stays through Sunday, and the area is shaded in green anywhere from Monterey down through Los Angeles. Flash flood watch up for them until Friday, where they could see rainfall rates coming down at about ½ an inch an hour. If the rain doesn't bother you and you still want to go out and do a little bit of surfing tomorrow, fair conditions for you. Your swell to the west-northwest, 2 to 3 feet, occasionally getting on up to 4. Your water temperature cool, 61 to 63 degrees. 7-day forecast, a mild 75 tomorrow, just a 20% chance of rain. Saturday, we keep a 20% chance of rain and temperatures staying to the mid-70s. 87 Friday, you drop to 79 for the end of the weekend. Let's look at your 7-day forecast. Guys, over to you.